guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today, and it's actually a collab video with my girl WinxBeauty, let me tell you. Okay, so I saw a comment in my comment section, right, and I saw like, wow, her picture looks nice, so I clicked on it and I was brought to her channel, and to my surprise, she's Jamaican. So another Jamaican link up. Yes, good girls, yes. So please go ahead and check Winx out. Her look, I'm sure, is phenomenal. She look like the Island Beauty. So now watch her. I wanna look on her. I gotta say, no man, I gotta feel like the Island Beauty. Our sister. No, yeah, our sister. So yeah, I'm just glad that I'm collaborating with her. She's so pretty. But anyway, I don't want to ramble. So we used our Naked 2 palette to create this prom look, and I just went really basic with this. I don't know, when I think prom or like graduation or like ball, I think like a color like this, nice, with a little bit of sparkle here and there, subtle lips. That's what I think, glossy lips as well. So this is what I thought about when I was thinking about the whole prom theme that we had going. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to check out my website, Rochester.com. Hint hint. Thanks you guys, and I'll talk to you for the rest of the video. No, I won't be talking, I will play music. But thanks for watching, and thanks for the intro. Don't forget for thanks for the intro, really. Don't forget to thumbs me up and leave me some comments in the description bar, and share and tell everybody to promote me and pick up yourself. Yeah.
I would say the AJ will come off a big up the King of all, King Jesus Christ, you know. Him just nice, you know. Yeah, what? Who make the thunder roll up in the sky? The star them all up in the sky. My praise I go down up in the sky. For the man who higher than the cloud up in the sky. When me step in the boot, yeah, Christ banana me laugh. But me no soft like a ripe banana. From me pick up the microphone, me big up me Christ alone. And me no make up nice like a yam of righteousness. And me dress and me type of armor me straight. I know me no bend up like a corner salon. Wash me off and make me whiter than a snow. Till the four them say me might have honor. So, what me now go change like iguana. Make sure you not the wrong address like it on. Cause anything in the darkness must come out in the light. Bright like a light it on. Yeah, hellfire hot like a sauna. When the father come you can go hide like Osama. And the harvest is great and the reapers of you. And the Lord want you to work like a farmer. Make the thunder rolling on the sky. Sorry rolling on the sky. The most high. Yes, Jesus. Him sit higher than the cloud in the sky. Praise and go low in the sky for the most high. I am Jesus. How you walk, the Lord send me. Same place him send pastor. Look in the ghetto, figure them what them shatter. Them know see me rate them, know me they hear them. So me educate them, like then Carter. Him accept the living, sacrifice him children offer. Give him a life, no bother wait until the end parter. The millennium son, because when him come a straight fire. Because the last time him send water. Hey, no for them a go on like say them faster. Like the Lord hate me and I give them brother. But the race is not for the swift, but those who endure. So me a be a permanent walker. Thunder rolling on the sky, sorry rolling on the sky, the most high. Yes, Jesus. Him sit higher than the cloud in the sky. Praise and go low in the sky for the most high. Yes, I feel Jesus. Alright, yo, watch the verdict. Let me show them how me big him up when me a word it. Tell them about the Lord and you walk one like you no heard it. God I give you life and if you take you no deserve it. Tell you if you big him up and you walk one like you allergic. With the word of God and me have to lose if you learn it. If you no understand, here's one nobody turn it. If God no have your life when him come back him a go burn it. And you can go hide like a hermit. The thunder rolling on the sky. Sorry rolling on the sky. The most high. Yes, Jesus. Him sit higher than the cloud in the sky. Praise and go low in the sky for the most high. Yes, I feel Jesus. Yeah, who make the thunder rolling on the sky? Start them rolling on the sky, the most high. Yes, I feel Jesus. Him sit higher than the cloud in the sky. The praise and go low in the sky for Jesus. Yes, I feel
devil is a liar. Oh, so we both are fire. How we praise the Messiah.
How you wanna know? Satan no pump and a pet up. And him say do you must know is a set up. He will tell you about sun and shine when a rain a fall and he make you get wet up. Make you work, gamble and bet up. Lose all the money and a gun you go take up. Make police come lock you behind bars. In a prison you shut up. Sorry story no something me a make up. Can't sit down for the Lord me a fi get up. And I'm a doctor for me just man. So me no visit doctor me no check up. By you Jesus if you take up. If you don't have the Lord your life wreck up. And even if you left Jesus Christ right now, come back right now and come make up. Devil you know fi follow. In a sin you know fi walla. No, no, oh, oh, oh. Hey, devil you know fi follow. In a sin you know fi walla. No, no, oh, oh, oh. If you never give your water, no drink it. If him come in on your task, don't think it. Him want your life dark like a tinted. And him see your ship and him want sink it. So send up your praise eye like a blimp it. Open your eyes and don't blink it. And send up all of the praise to the Most High, cause him higher than every other God. All when him sit, him love sweet like a drink sit. Connect to the Lord like a link sit. I straight fire me a bun pan the devil. When the song I done me I go give fire link sit. Oh your riches in heaven like a bring sit. Try stand up on the throne where the king sit. Make sure you have a clean and pure heart. Like say you wash on your rings. Devil you know fi follow. In a sin you know fi walla. No, 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 no. Devil you know fi follow. In a sin you know fi walla. No, 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 no. Devil you know fi follow. In a sin you know fi walla. No, no, oh, oh, oh. Devil you know fi follow. You know fi walla. No, no. How you wanna no? Satan no pump and a pet up. I can't sing, bro. I'm already there now. I can't sing, bro. Worthy, confused. Give me water when me thirsty. And bruised. May God bless and God bless and nobody can curse me. And anytime the age is sick, Jesus nurse, him nurse me. Can't cry, see my the best. Him higher than the rest. The Lord give me blessing for me the palm of me breast. And when me fall all in a mess, and me under arrest, me confess cause I heaven me want to be me address. And when me down on the breast, me fed up and me stress. Me ask the Lord for peace of mind and Jesus on me best. And if me get deep on me test, me link him and request. And the Lord give me strength like him all put this on me chest. God Father worthy. Oh God, you show me your grace and you show me your mercy. And anytime the sick Father nurse me. You give me living water anytime me thirsty. For you are when me fall, you make me stand. Me weak, you make me strong. I've done so many wrong, it's like say me deserve fit. And I know the journey kinda long. You make me young along, all along. You be my inspiration for write all a song. And when me can't even grow up, you came and show me hope. Make me pick up a Bible or a mic instead of rope. And when me almost like the hope, me and them still a hope. I remember when you came and make me clean us like a soap. Father, you are worthy.
Alright guys, so for my lips I'm wearing Kate Spade, and I think it's called the Peach, I think. It's one of those lipsticks that like you push down. So it's, I think it's called Peach, but I'm seeing Peach Snaps, I don't know. But Peach is that it has this gold packaging. And for the lip gloss I'm wearing Merengue, and it is a butter gloss by NYX. And yes, I'm not wearing any blush. And I'm not wearing any blush, but I am wearing my Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette, and I'm wearing Radiant Light, which is this one over here, Radiant Light. So I'm not wearing any blush at all, not wearing any lip liner, and my lashes, as you saw, they're by Lena Lashes, and they're in the style called Liz. And that's basically it for this makeup tutorial. Thank you so much again, Winx, for collaborating with me. Really means a lot to me. Check out the girl pretty, and the girl butt like yes. So yeah, thank you so much for staying through to the end of the video, you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next video.
And you show me your grace and you show me your mercy. Father, when me sick, me know you are nurse me. Oh, Father, give me living water when me thirsty. majesty. Can't price him on the base, him higher than the race. The Lord a give me blessing for me, the palm of me breast. And if me fall under a race, and me go on a stress, me confess, cause I ever me want to be me address. When me fed up and me stress, me down and me depressed. Me ask the Lord for tweeze and mine of Jesus on me press. And if me get deep on me chest, me link him and request. And me give me strength, like him a put a spot me chest, Jesus.